Welcome back, cruisers. It's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we'll be exploring a panoramic suite on board Royal Caribbean's Legend of the Seas. Before booking, be sure to contact your favorite Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link below for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Booking a panoramic suite bumps you up into Royal Caribbean's prestigious Sky Class. This upgrade unlocks a whole new level of VIP access on board. You get guaranteed all-day dining at the suite-only restaurant Coastal Kitchen for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You also gain full access to the private suite lounge, featuring complimentary beer, wine, sodas, and happy hour cocktails, alongside the exclusive suite sun deck, The Grove, which is a gorgeous, quiet oasis up top with light bites throughout the day. On top of that, everyone registered in your suite gets complimentary Voom, Surf, and Stream high-speed internet, one device per person, which can be a massive saving for families. You'll also enjoy complimentary 24-hour room service, priority departure, and prime reserve seating in the theater for Broadway-style shows. Best of all, you have a dedicated concierge team on hand to personally take care of all of your show reservations, specialty dining, and port excursions, giving you a completely seamless, stress-free vacation from start to finish. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you first step inside the suite, on one side you'll have a full-length mirror to check out your outfit before heading out, and directly across is the entrance to your bathroom. Right on the wall, you'll also spot your main temperature control. This digital touchscreen gauge is incredibly high-tech, acting as your thermostat and the central lighting control for the entire suite. Stepping into the bathroom, you'll immediately notice that this is a rather impressive size for a junior suite on Royal Caribbean. You're greeted by a large vanity featuring a large backlit mirror with built-in open shelving on both sides to keep your daily essentials organized. Right on the side, you have two standard US outlets with drawers down below to tuck away your smaller toiletries. They've also included wide open storage cubbies underneath those drawers if you need extra space. Directly across from the vanity is the shower tub combo, equipped with an adjustable shower wand up above and a built-in retractable clothesline to dry out everyone's swimsuit. This tub is a great addition for families who need that dedicated bath space for the kids in the evening. Plus, because you're in a suite, the space is stocked with premium upgraded Madeline Getz bath amenities, which is a wonderful high-end touch. Stepping back into the room and around the corner, you'll find a small dedicated closet that houses the Wi-Fi hotspot specifically for your room, which is a massive upgrade to ensure you can take full advantage of that high-speed Starlink internet on board. Just around the corner is a hallway with a full wall of storage leading to a small writing desk that doubles as a vanity. It features a magnifying mirror on one side, and the desk opens up to reveal your hairdryer tucked inside. For charging your devices, the desk area is also equipped with standard US outlets and a USB port. Lining the corridor is a wall of built-in storage. One side features plenty of hanging storage with a pull-down bar to add more hanging storage if needed, while the other side houses your plush suite-class bathrobes and slippers. You also have plenty of drawers, open shelving, and your digital room safe, perfect for smaller valuables like your wallet, phones, or tablets, though not quite large enough for a laptop. Just a few steps further is your in-room refreshment station, featuring that Lavazza espresso machine that I mentioned earlier, stocked with a great selection of espresso pods and teas. Down below, on one side, are 3 deep storage drawers alongside your mini fridge, and right on top of the counter, they've also included a handy combo plug and a Euro plug for charging. Heading into the bedroom space itself, you're greeted by an upgraded Royal King bed with premium linens positioned looking directly out the floor-to-ceiling windows. This is a configuration I wish we would see more often on many cruise lines. And if you're traveling with friends or family, this can easily be split into 2 twin beds instead of 1 large bed. On both sides are small nightstands with drawers to tuck smaller items away. On one side of the bed, you'll have a standard US outlet along with USB and USB-C ports for charging, while on the opposite side, you'll only have USB and USB-C ports. For families traveling with more than 2 guests, the corner features a cozy sofa that converts into additional bedding. If you have 3 passengers, the 3rd guest would sleep on top of the sofa bed, and the 4th would utilize the pull-out tucked underneath the sofa. In the opposite corner, you'll find a comfortable reading chair sitting beneath your large interactive flat panel smart TV, which is loaded with live TV channels, ship information, and on-demand movies. Best of all, the TV is mounted on an adjustable arm so you can easily angle it towards the bed or the couch depending on where you're relaxing. Finally, stepping into the highlight of this room, the view. Now, although the specific suite category doesn't feature an outdoor balcony, because these suites are uniquely positioned high up in the forward dome of the ship, you are treated to jaw-dropping wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling panoramic views. They've set up a cozy little sitting area right against the glass with a small table and 2 chairs, making it the perfect private sanctuary to kick back with your morning coffee or a glass of wine. Whether you're watching a breathtaking ocean sunset or taking in a beautiful sail away as you pull out of an exotic port, having that massive unobstructed glass wall brings the outside world right into your suite. It is a unique vantage point that you won't find anywhere else on the ship. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. If you enjoyed this tour, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out the other videos on our channel for all your cruise content. And until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and I hope to see you all out on the high seas on board Royal Caribbean, perhaps having a perfect day at Coco Cay.